So this is actually um, considerably a lot more complex than I had originally anticipated. Um, Without getting into too much detail, we it's not going to be possible to integrate it into Google Sheets. Well, it is possible, but that's where the complexity comes in. Um, this isn't turning out to be an integration. It's turning out to be kind of a bit of an application, uh, which would enable the integration. So the whole idea between the or behind the Excel um, slash Google Sheets is that it provided an interface, and then the idea was to bring the data from Amrod into that interface and then put it across into WooCommerce. Now, that's yeah, it's becoming very complex. The amount of data is tremendous. So the original way, or at least yeah, the elaborate way to create the integration is actually create a full-on user interface. So with a full-on database and. So here's the database. This database has an API. Just bearing in mind that yeah, this is considerably a lot more work and should be a complete application in terms of pricing. So just bear with me in terms of time. Um, but yeah, so we've got categories, we've got products. Categories, you get a root category, you get a parent category, and then you get a product category. These will make sense a little bit later. I need them currently. There's actually three sets of categories defined by those. Um, we've got our products. Uh, Products have got product items and product stock. So between these four fields, we can get as much information, or at least all the information from Emerald. Um, I've had to refactor all of the code that does the category and products because yeah. Anyways, to support the database. So those two algorithms are perfect. So if we go to categories, there are 343 categories. Of these 343 categories, 11 of them are root categories. And of the remaining 343 categories, or at least I think it's 332, so product category, this should be about 250 or something, 280. 280 of them are subcategories, or at least product categories. And then if we change to this product category to false, this should be about 50 odd. Yeah, okay, so those three numbers, 11 plus 48 plus 280 gives us 343. So this is every category that has been pulled from Amrod. So that algorithm is perfected. It seems easy. It was not easy. But anyways, and here are our products. Now, I've imported 89,000 product. Well, 89,000 plus 8,000, so about 96,000 products from Amrod. There's been a lot of technical difficulties, also in terms of rate limiting. So I've had to rate limit that, which means that we can't actually pull data too fast, which means that this entire process, regardless of how fast I want it to happen, is technically constrained to happen that fast. Anyways, I've managed to perfect that algorithm as well. So algorithm 1's perfected, algorithm 2's perfected. There's a third and a fourth algorithm. This should have been what I was working on full time this weekend, but like I said, the Excel was just becoming an impossibility, and now we're moving into a full-on information system. Okay. Now, our products, right, are these don't include yet the colors. That's where that comes in from product item, or at least sizes. Colors or sizes, one of the two. Um, so that comes in there, and then each product item has got a stock. So these two algorithms still need to be done. Now, for products, not all products are actually unique. As you can see, product 89605 exists for both category 350 and it exists for category 437. Okay, so what is 8965? That's the 11 backpack. Okay, we've got the pricing here, we've got a link to the image. And what else do we have? There's a category. Now I've put in a link here which is directly connected to the API. This is just for reference purposes. Obviously you wouldn't have to do this, but if you wanted to, you could. If we just open up that link, it's going to give us the full detail from Amrod. Like, this has got like tons of detail. So anyways, algorithm 3 and 4 is going to come from stock levels. So this is going to give us our different types, and then it'll also have stock. So that's where algorithm 3 and 4 will come from. Yeah, okay. So that's data, that's API, and then what do I want to show you? Oh, this is the user interface that I'm creating. So like I said, Excel is going to become quite a problem. We're going to have to figure this out, but right now I'm creating an interface for you to explore and change details. So like, for example, if we click on corporate gifts, yeah, it's a little bit buggy. Because I haven't fully tested it, but yeah. So here's our prices. That's the product ID. That's the item code. Algorithm 3 and 4 will happen by giving you a stock, and then it'll also give you the stock by different colors. So that's algorithm 3 and 4. Once that's done, then we're done. But yeah, I wanted to show you with Excel, or at least do a screen recording of Excel, but that wasn't happening. So anyways, this is where we are at. Things are happening. A lot more things than should have happened, but yeah, I'll keep you updated. Let me know what your thoughts are. Yeah, cool, man. Hope you all